Hi guys, it's me again, Gideon, your favorite virtual assistant, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a continuation of our series on turning on the professional mode on Facebook, even if this option isn't showing on your profile. So here is a recap from our previous videos. We've already covered two methods to address this issue, that is the submitting a support request and also sending an email to Facebook. If you are yet to see these videos, you can click on the link here or in my description below. So without wasting much of our time, today we'll be talking about the name compliance. Yes, the name compliance. If your profile still doesn't offer the professional mode, let's explore the solution, that is the name compliance, which I believe plays a great role in the professional settings. So here is why name compliance is very important. Facebook emphasizes using your real name on your profile or pages, or to say, using a comprehensive name for your profile or business pages or accounts. Inconsistency or deviation from your legal or comprehensive name can trigger restriction, including the inability to access the professional mode. So let's dive a little bit deeper. Before we dive deeper, let's refresh a bit. And what could be so refreshing than hitting the subscribe button and turning on the bell notification if you are yet to do so? Thank you for subscribing, and back to our topic, that is the name compliance. Here is how to ensure your name complies with Facebook guidelines. You can visit the name review page. I'll be leaving the link on my description below for easy access. So guys, when you click on the link, it's going to bring you to a page that looks exactly like so. And on this page, it's going to give you an insight and also guide you on how your name on your pages or profile are supposed to be. So I'll be laying more emphasis on the page names allowed on Facebook. So once you click on this like so, however, you could go through all of these options and read through for yourself to understand how the name compliance work, to be able to access the professional mode. So once you click on the page names allowed on Facebook like so, you're going to get this instruction, especially on this column that says page names can't include. So once you go through all of this, it's going to tell you some few things your page names are not supposed to include. And if these criteria are not met, you will not be able to access the professional mode on Facebook. So on this column that says page names can't include, we have other things that says terms or phrases. So you can't use a phrase on your page name. We have a word that contains any word that contains an official. For example, you have official Gideon. You're putting an official into your page or your profile name. This will restrict you from having access to the professional mode. We have the improper capitalization. For example, you're having a capitalization in between your names. This also does not comply with the Facebook naming policies. We have symbols. You are not supposed to add symbols to your names. Also, we have slogans there. So you can take your time to go all through this to understand how you can name your profile or page for the best experience when wanting to access the professional mode. And here on this column, we have a page name can consist only of, we have single name. Just for example, if you have two names and you're using either your first name or your last name on your page, this also does not comply with the Facebook naming policy, and you'll be having issue or you will not have access to the Facebook professional mode. And you shouldn't use locations as your page name. For example, here we have New York. So on my next video, I'll be showing you how to unlock your account if you accidentally lock your account in the past. Stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, if you have any questions or need assistance with turning on your professional mode, leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Thank you and see you in the next video.